Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. My dear viewers, brothers and sisters, today I want to talk about how Islam promotes personal growth in our daily lives. Islam is not just about worship or rituals, it is a complete way of life that guides us in everything we do. It offers us a clear set of teaching that help us grow and become better individuals. So let's look at a few key principles that show how Islam helps us improve ourselves. First one is purpose and intention, that is niya and irada. In Islam, everything starts with intention. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Actions are judged by intentions. Innamal amalu binniyat." This means that what we intend to do behind any action is very important. If we start with good intentions, our action will be more meaningful. For example, if you help someone with the intention of pleasing Allah, with the intention of Allah's pleasing, that act becomes an act of worship. Focusing on good intentions helps us set clear goals and makes our lives more purposeful, which leads to personal growth. Second one is seeking knowledge. The first word revealed in the Quran was Iqra, which means read. This shows how much importance Islam gives to learning. The Prophet Muhammad said, "Seeking knowledge is an obligation for every Muslim." There is no distinctions between male or female. Everyone has an equal right to seeking knowledge. When we seek knowledge, we open our minds, improve our skills, and understand the world better. This could be religious knowledge or knowledge that helps us in our daily lives. So learning empowers us to make better decisions and grow both intellectually and spiritually. And the third one is self-discipline and patience. Islam teaches us the value of self-discipline and patience. Fasting in Ramadan is a perfect example because during fasting we give up food, drink, and other physical needs from dawn to sunset. This teaches us how to control our desires and be patient. When we practice patience and self-discipline, we build inner strength and this makes us more resilient and capable of handling challenges in life, which is key to personal growth. And the fourth one is accountability and reflection. Islam encourages us to hold ourselves accountable and reflect on our actions. The five daily prayer, that is Salah, are not just rituals, they are moments to pause, reflect, and reconnect with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Through prayer, we can think about our day, ask for forgiveness and for our mistakes, and make plans to improve. So regular reflection helps us see where we can do better, and this constant self-improvement is crucial for growth. Fifth one is charity and compassion. Giving to others is a core principle in Islam. Through charity, that is zakah and sadaqah, we purify our wealth and develop empathy for others. When we give to those in need, we feel grateful for what we have and become more compassionate. This act of selflessness not only helps others but also brings peace to our heart and contributes to our own spiritual growth. And the sixth one is good character and morality. Islam places great emphasis on having good character and strong moral values. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "The best among you are those with the best manners and character." So traits and attributes and qualities like honesty, kindness, and humility are highly valued. When we work on improving our character, it strengthens our relationship with others and makes us better people overall. Good character is a foundation for personal growth because it shapes how we interact with the world. And the seventh one is trusting in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that is tawakkul. Trusting in Allah is an important part of personal growth in Islam. Believing that Allah has a plan for us helps us face challenges with courage. When we trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we are able to remain hopeful even in tough situations. This belief gives us the strength to keep moving forward, knowing that everything happens for a reason and that Allah's wisdom is greater than ours. In conclusion, Islam gives us a complete guide to personal growth. By following the principles of intention, seeking knowledge, practicing self-discipline, reflecting on our action, showing compassion through charity, developing good character, and trusting in Allah, we can grow into better individuals. This growth benefits not just ourselves but also the communities and the world around us. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us all on the path to self improvement and success in this life and the hereafter. Ameen. Wassalamu alaikum.